Hey everyone, so this will be an unboxing of the Amazon Halo band. Just got mine in today. So it is swim proof, 24 hour, 7 days a week, heart rate, always getting smarter. Just like me. It includes a woven fabric band, the sensor itself, charging clip, 6 month of Halo membership, which I think is like $4 or $5 after. Then most importantly, encouragement. Go ahead and pause if you want to see all this, but it has labs, body composition, sleep, tone of voice, activity, and the Halo membership. And you have a smartphone with iOS or Android with internet connection and Bluetooth. I imagine it also works with like a tablet made for iPhone, but also Android. So I don't know why I don't have an Android one there. And then become the leading expert on you. Alright, so this is the blackish one. Black plus Onyx. That's what that one's called. And this is size medium. I'm hoping it won't be too big. My wrists are pretty tiny. A nice little rip off thing here. We're greeted with, I'm just gonna call it a watch, and there's no watch face on it. Which I'm actually rather disappointed how they did not include a watch face. They have a smiley face though. There's some sort of face. Nice feeling. Not too bad. So it looks like no button on that side. This side there's one button. And then we have the charging, let's see, charging bit there, and the heart rate sensor there. And a piece of plastic here. Band is, oh okay, it's Velcro. Very nice. So you can actually make this pretty small if you need to. So that is actually pretty nice. Let's see how well it holds on though. I can be a bit rough with my stuff. So I like my Garmin kind of beat it up every day on accident. Let's see what else we get here. So your little charging clip. I'm trying to do the clip, you know, there's plastic on it. Doesn't work out too well. Wonder why they made that a clip. Try to show you guys in there. You see the little charging. There we go. But where my thumb is there's a little charging point. Which again was on the back of. Let's see, there we go. Of course, I have to line it up with the charger. Alright, and then we have a booklet on how to Alright, let's go ahead and try this. I'm going to try it on my right wrist because my left has my actual watch on it at the moment. I might end up actually wearing it like how I'm about to put on. Anyway. So again, this is size medium. My wrist is pretty small. There we go. I do like how it's Velcro. This is the early access one. I probably signed up for about a month ago, and I just got received that I could buy it on Monday, I want to say, and Monday or Tuesday, and today's Friday. So this is pretty interesting. They have a little piece of plastic at the end here, so that way this does not come off all the way. That's just a bit weird. I'm trying to see if it'll lay flat or not, but so I mean, if your wrist is too big, yeah, it should be replaceable though. somehow. The bands, because you can buy replacement bands on Amazon. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in here and see if it does anything. The USB is really cool looking. See, it's orange. And actually tomorrow's Halloween, so that goes along good with that. And then see the charging clip has a smiley face on it, the Amazon smiley face. And it looks like it ate the band. So that's what it looks like. It looks like something, looks like it decided just to eat the band. So we're going to plug it in here. Turn it on. My charger, that is, not the device. Nothing lights up. Okay. Well, there you guys go. That is the unboxing. Again, this is early access. Once it comes out, it's gonna be $100. I got mine for $65. Again, included 6 months of the Halo app usage, or the Halo whatever, which I think comes out to like $4 a month. I mean, it is $4 a month or so, $4 or $5 a month. So it's about what, 24 bucks, 24 to 30 bucks, something like that. $24 if it's $4 a month for free, quote unquote free. So I'm gonna charge it up. I'm gonna use it for a day or two, and then we'll come back and I'll give you guys my insights on it. So stay tuned to my channel. And again, there are 3 different colors, and then there are a few other bands you can buy as well if you want to. Alright guys, thank you all very much for watching as always. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.